Bismillah Rahman Rahim. I am Dr. Engineer Muhammad Zishan Ahad, having the privilege to be the founder of this particular new program called Construction Law and Arbitration. Over the years, working in the field, I always believed that engineers lacked this particular communication or particular skill of law. Through the years, I have seen engineers work their way around the law, but not through the law. And to supplement them and give them the right to utilize law as a particular mean of looking into and using it in their daily routine life as civil servants, as government servants, private sector servants, in consultancies, in contractors. This law diploma is certainly going to help them achieve their goals. We are the first in KP, if not particularly in Pakistan, to launch Construction Law and Arbitration diploma, and we are moving towards to convert it into a master's program in the future. It will enable engineers, non-engineers to understand the complexities of FEDIC, the PEC bylaws, and the legal terms of contracts and procurement, Land Acquisition Acts on 1894, all of them would be well understood. It is an opportunity. It is not just a program. It is an opportunity for all those engineers and as well as non-engineers to avail it. The regular classes would start from 28th. In this orientation, we would be giving you the details of this particular program, the subjects and the faculty. I welcome you to my program of Construction Law and Arbitration and looking forward that you enroll yourself. Thank you very much.